Determining the maximum number of CATV splitters you can use without needing a booster depends largely on the initial signal strength entering your first splitter. As you add splitters in series, the incoming signal is divided equally among all the outputs, reducing the signal level at each connected device. For example, if your initial signal strength entering the first splitter is negative 10 dBm, which is decibels relative to 1 milliwatt, a two-way splitter will divide that signal into two signals of negative 13 dBm at each of its outputs. Now, if you take one of those negative 13 dBm outputs and connect it to a six-way splitter, the signal is further divided into six signals, each at negative 16 dBm. A general rule of thumb suggests that you can use up to 3 splitters in series without requiring a CATV booster, assuming that your initial signal strength is reasonably strong, such as negative 10 dBm or better. In your specific scenario, you are using two six-way splitters, with the second splitter connected to an output of the first. This configuration results in the signal being divided into 6 equal parts by the first splitter, resulting in approximately negative 13 dBm for each output. The second six-way splitter then takes one of these negative 13 dBm signals and divides it further into 6 more equal parts, each approximately negative 16 dBm. In effect, this is similar to using a total of 3 splitters, such as one two-way splitter followed by 2 six-way splitters, with only one branch being used in the two-way splitter. Therefore, you are essentially at the maximum limit for using splitters without a CATV booster, provided the initial signal strength is adequate. There are also additional considerations that can affect the signal quality. Firstly, the length of your cable runs plays a significant role. Longer cable runs inherently result in greater signal loss due to the resistance and impedance of the coaxial cable itself. Secondly, the quality of the splitters and cables used can significantly impact the overall signal strength. High-quality splitters and cables are designed to minimize signal loss and maintain signal integrity. If you start to experience signal issues such as pixelation on your TV screen or drop channels, it might indicate that the signal strength has become too weak. In such cases, you may need to consider using a CATV booster or amplifier to boost the signal and compensate for the losses introduced by the splitters and cable runs. In summary, while you are likely at the limit of splitters you can use without a booster, monitor your signal quality and consider a booster if needed, especially if you have long cable runs or suspect the quality of your components might be a factor. Remember that signal degradation is cumulative, and each component in your CATV distribution system contributes to the overall signal loss. Regular monitoring and periodic evaluation of your system can help ensure optimal performance and prevent signal-related issues.